Now only now you can place your what? Ceiling. This is fun time. And another one is what? Plan ceiling. Here and here, here. Plan ceiling, you will see what? Empty. That's plan. Okay. Now, what is the height of the ceiling here? So 2600, so not enough. Let us change the height of the ceiling here on my sections. The false ceiling height, let us make it 3000, 3200. How much? 3200. The false ceiling one, the false ceiling you can keep it as what? 3200. Select the ceiling 3200. Clear? Actually, I have done only for what? These two rooms. I have to do it for what? For these two rooms also. Right? Go to here, and that will be what now? 3200. Either I can click here and change 3200. This is also method, another method to change them. All the ceiling height are what? 3200.
If you go to that section, can you please come in?
Sorry. Section, take section here. Go to ceiling plan. Take section. The range, reduce it and go to view. So how do you go to view? Select on it, right click and go to view. Now 3000, how much? But you know, this one I said 5000. I gave it 5000. And this is now, I gave it how much? 4600?
Yeah.
Okay, 9600. Okay, this is now what? 3000. Do the same for this also. What happened? Forget. Okay, click here and click here and reduce the range. Right click, go to view. How much it is? 3200. All right. Again, this one also is how much? 3000. Okay, this section covering only these rooms. Move it a little bit here. Isn't it?
Yes.
And right click, go to view. It's going to be also is what? 3000. Okay. Everything okay? Go to the section. How to go to section view? Give me. Here, right click, go to view. Okay, first to reduce the range. No. Okay, then right click on it and say what? Go to view. How much? 3200. Okay, here also 3200. Change them. Clear? Oh. All right, 3,200 we placed it, no? So actually so far we have finished all the. Is someone phones there? What? So we took a new file, is architectural file, and we placed what then? Levels. After that we created what? Grids. Then we prepared what? External walls, and then we prepared what? Internal walls, and then doors and windows we placed it. Windows we placed it, and then floor added. We added floor, no? And then we added, sorry. After that, we put rooms and room tech. Rooms and tech. This is what we, so far we have done it. And also we place some components, place components. Place. So you learn it, place components, is placing the furnitures, things like that.
Ceiling.
Also we added ceiling. Added ceiling. So we added ceiling. So if you go to here, we added ceiling also. Okay. Okay. Now with this, let me go back to my south elevations. With the south elevations, go here and make it fine. This is my south elevations. See here, the elevation text are within this. I can move it outside, take it outside. If it is yours also looks like that, just you can move it out. This is your ground floor. I would like to have a same height, for example, 5,000. How much I'm going to have it? 5,000. Huh? So you will keep it as now what? Here, 5,000. Better change this one to 5,000. From 9,600 to change to 5,000. Because I'm going to copy and show you. Therefore, better to keep it a equal dimensions. Okay. See here, since it is a typical room, this is a typical room, huh? And I don't want to do it again and again. I'll just going to mirror it. I'm going to mirror it. Look at this one very carefully, huh? How I'm going to do it. See here. Remember, you can't mirror rooms. You can't mirror what? You cannot. I'm clearly telling. You cannot mirror what? Rooms. You cannot mirror rooms. So in your selection, if there is a room is included, you have to remove them. Okay. Now how I'm going to select it? I place my cursor, look at here. I place my cursor here and now moving around. See that? I came like that, no? Right. Okay, in this, go to filter and you have to remove your what? Room and what? Room tech, because I said in the notepad is what? What I said? You can't mirror rooms. Therefore, in the selection, you have to remove that. Halas, the room is removed now. Second thing is, the wall, if you mirror again, there will be one more wall, isn't it? So, holding your shift key, click on the wall again. You see that when you click on the shift key, in your cursor, you notice that there is a minus symbol is coming. Click on it. From the selection, it is removed it. Clear? Okay. Now, did you notice there are two type of mirror? One is what? Mirror pick axis. And also the tooltips teach you. These tooltips teach you how to mirror. And also here also another one is row mirror. Row mirror. Either you can row your mirror line or pick the center of your mirror. I'll choose the first one is what? Pick line. Using the pick line, I'll bring my cursor, click the what? That line, it is mirrored. Did you notice that? It is mirrored. But it says there is a duplicated wall. What happened? No, I didn't remove this one. There was a one more wall here. I didn't remove it. That's why it says the highlighted wall is what? Overlapping. So undo that, Control Z. Let me do it repeatedly. How do you bring your cursor not here? Bring your cursor here and keep selecting this way. Actually, it is including this wall and that wall. Isn't it? During your selection, you notice that the wall also is included. So, first thing, remove your what? Filter, remove what? Remove room tech and what? Room. Then say OK. Then hold the shift key, remove this one. Again, hold the shift key, remove this one. Now say what? Mirror. I will not get a warning message here, it's overlapping, because I'm not duplicating now. So see that it is mirrored. Again I can use what? Again I can use what? Again I can use mirror. Simple. Can you do this mirror? No. Yalla. Okay,
I want to shift all this.
Click on that one. No, complete axis. Click on it. And you will circle. Move it. Take it fully. Still more. No. Click right. Now take it and bring outside. Keep it now. Because it's already in the selection mode, no? Don't mirror the last one, na? Don't mirror the last one, na? Only 3 rooms. Yeah. Okay, keep the last one empty. Yeah, you can mirror more than once, but if you lost the selection again, you have to do reselection. Okay. And make sure what? If there is unwanted is there, remove the selection. Is now everything okay? Okay. Now you can mirror, I believe. Then say what? Mirror. Okay, now it is mirrored. What happened? A filter. No, say select again, select it. Hmm. Okay, go to filter, remove room tech and room, and also room. Say okay now. Okay. Okay, hold the shift key and click on the wall and this wall also. Round, now mirror. Click on the middle line and one more time click it here. Again, take mirror. You lose the selection. Again, you have to what? Do reselect it. Okay. If you miss your selection, again you have to reselect it. Then hold the what? Shift key to remove the internal walls. Now okay. Then again what? Mirror. Keep the last one. You didn't do this one. There was a continuity of the wall here. Yeah. Okay. Yes, tell me. Okay. Okay, now say what? Cross corner. Select it crossly, okay? Then filter. Remove what? Room and room tech.
So to mirror, you just highlight, that's just all.
Yeah. Then hold the shift key to remove this wall and this wall. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now mirror
Mirror.
that line. And one more time is there. This line.
Let me try.
Which one? No, room tagging or rooms you cannot mirror. Okay, now actually you have to place a room tag again. For the missing rooms, you have to place a room tag. Remember, you can't mirror what? Room or a room taxes. Therefore, that is you have to do it by manually. Take your rooms and place the tags. Clear? Did you understand what I'm saying? You can't mirror what? Rooms is. This is not allowed in the Revit. No, 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 no. Because Revit is preparing a what? Revit is preparing room schedule. In behind this project, there is a schedule is there. That schedule is being prepared by cells. That software is preparing. I will show you how to take that schedule. So therefore, you can what? Copy it. So again, you have to say, actually, it is good practice to say like living hall. You can say dash 101 is what? This is going to be what? This is going to be living hall what? 201. What? Or 102, no? 102, room number 2. Okay, this is room number 2. And this is going to be what now? Room number 3. And this will be what? 10. I can say as what? Bedrooms. Bedroom what? 101. Okay, 101A or 101A. I can say A. And that is going to be what? B dash. It's going to be 101B. And water closes is going to be what? 101 dash. So let me do it quickly here. This is going to be 201, 102A, 102A, and it is going to be 102B. And this is going to be 103A, and this is going to be 103B. And this is water closet is going to be 101, and this is going to be 102, and this will be 103. I place all the room tags properly. Room 1, room 2, room 3. Okay, done. Clear? Room name changing is finished. Okay. There is a question. Is there a ceiling is being copied or not? Not yet. Why it's not copied? Because you copied from the what? Floor. You copied from the floor. In the floor, can you see the ceiling? No. Therefore, now you have to copy the ceiling also. So we will go to ceiling plan and what now? Do the cross selection. Then what? Filter. Keep only what? Only ceiling. Then finally mirror. Again mirror. How long this will take? Only 10 seconds to do it. I will see how you people going to do it. Go to ceiling, cross selections, go to the ceiling plan. Yeah. Select it in a cross selection. Only keep the ceiling in the selections and then mirror. You are in ceiling plan. Correct? Huh? Then mirror. Hmm. There is no identical in place. This will double counting in schedule. I think something wrong. Undo that, the one you did. Okay. This is your ceiling plan. Do you have ceiling? It doesn't show any ceiling here. Okay, you have a ceiling. This is 600 by 600. Okay, you have a ceiling. Now you can do what? Cross selection, filter, and 5 ceiling is there. No. Why 5 ceiling? You make it double time. Delete and see. Still there is ceiling. Yes, there is one more ceiling is there. That is double. Okay, now 4 ceiling only. Then filter, remove and select ceiling and mirror. Yeah, it's done, but it cannot be cracked because that crack doesn't support it. You can use it for 30 days only. Permanently to do it, you have to upgrade. You have to give the laptop without installation of any Autodesk product. Already it has a what? AutoCAD. You got my point? What I'm telling? You have to give a laptop. It should not have any Autodesk product. As a very first product, the Revit has to be installed. Then only you can crack it.
So it means now I have to remove the
No, you have to format it. To the formatting only it will work. But right now it will work the software for 30 days on a trial. You want to permanently bring the laptop as formatted conditions, there should not be any Autodesk product. Any Autodesk product.
So I'll just bring it same as I bought it without anything inside.
No problem. Is it okay? Bring it next time. That time I can crack and give you. Now it's working for 30 days only.
I'll bring it. I'll have to convert it.
Hmm. What happened?
Thank you.
What happened? You are not in the grid line.
Yes, that's left.
Ground floor, it should be 8,000, 8,000. 8,000, no?
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Then, no?
No, mirror.
Okay, select this corner. Filter, remove only what? Ceiling. Then mirror. Using the mirror. Done, na?
Just
No, not activate, run. If you say activate, it will not work. Say run. Okay, we have a ceilings here. We have ceilings and everything here and floor plans. Let me show you this preparing a new schedules. Now you learn mirroring. Mirror, how to mirror. So you know how to mirror, huh? Okay, mirror. So now I'm going to teach you how to prepare the room schedule. See here, we have a schedule here. This is a schedule. Right click and say new schedule. And in the new schedule, we're going to select what? Go down and find what? Room. Okay. Select room schedule. You see that? When you select a room, it's automatically giving what? Room schedule. And what you want? You want the room name. Okay, room name. You want what? Area of the room. Or you want the room number on it. You require a parameter. And maybe you require a level. Say okay. So that it has prepared a very nice table with all information. Area, parameters, and level. You will have the schedule. This is what the purpose you can't mirror. If you mirror it, you will have the same room name and it will not work also. So now you have what? Every room names is plus what? And their square meter and the parameter. And how much the total square rooms we have it now? How do you find it? Just prepare this table. I'll tell you how to prepare a total square feet. Huh? Can you do the room schedule? I place the name, area, parameter, and level. Anna? Room schedule, okay? Yes.
Not like
Add it, you go to field here. Yes, you said field. And again you can add it. Hmm? Okay. Actually, in this room schedule, you see that we have some field options is here. One is field, filter, grouping, formatting. You know, we can group and format this one. Group and format it. Let me do some calculations here. For example, here, you need to put the total area of the what? All rooms is here on the down. We are in the area columns here. In the area columns, you have to put what? Total area. How do I place the total area here? Okay, we can go to what? Any of this icon, any of these 6 icon you can click it, any of these 6 icon. And here, okay, you will go to what? Formatting. Where? Formatting. Select area and says no calculations, no. Change to what? Total? Calculate total. You got my point? And then say okay now. But it still doesn't show because the reason is the grouping and sorting or sorting and grouping, the grand total is not ticked it. So it's going to show you the grand total. How much the total square meter we have it? 216 square meter is there. So see that the Revit is doing your most of the works. Only you have to feed the information. Revit can prepare all the schedules, everything, section, mection, everything it can prepare it. Only you have to track the information from the Revit. That is why we call building informations modeling, meaning that you can extract the data from a model. Like if you are doing in the AutoCAD, can you extract it like this? No, you have to feed it and you have to prepare manually. This is extraction possible in the Revit applications. Okay, see how to add the parameter of the total parameters here. Again, go to what? Field and go to what? Formatting. Select the parameter and say what? Calculate total. The total number of or the total parameters, all the rooms is 200,000, 21. Sorry, correct? 221 or what? 2,21,100. Is that the value everyone getting? Okay. What?
I've done it, but it's not showing.
Yeah, go to grouping and sorting. Did you find grouping and sorting there? Grouping, sorting, and total. Say okay now. You see that? And do it for the parameters too. Actually, you people practice this one more time before the next class. If you don't practice and just coming here, you completely becomes empty here. And it's difficult for me to again to recover and do. So practice at least a one time before you come here. At least a one time. Since it's being recorded now, by keep watching this video also, you can practice one more time. Okay, this is a room schedule I explained you. So I explained about what room schedule. So how to prepare a room schedule. See here, Now this is so far we have done it up to this. And I'm going to do a minor adjustment here. The fifth crit is not 5 or 10,000. Let me make it like 4,000. Or 4,000 not enough. Let me keep it 6,000. 6,000. Yeah, keep it 4,000. Keep it how much? 4,000. And then keep it 4,000. Yeah. Keep it 4,000. So move your wall to the what? Grid. Using your align tool, no? Move to how much this one is? 4,000, huh? Your plan will look like this. Okay. Okay. Center of the wall. Center of the wall to the grid line. Select பண்ணி மாத்துங்க. Select பண்ணுங்களேன் grid. இதை click பண்ணு. இந்த dimension அதில் இல்லையோ? Take it this one. கொண்டு வந்து இந்த clickல வச்சிங்கண்டா இதை click பண்ண மாத்தலாம். Okay. மாறதில்லையே. மாறதில்லையா? Okay, take one more dimensions. இங்க இருந்து இதுக்கு இங்க வைங்க. செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க லாக் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறீங்க. எங்கேயோ ஒரு இடத்துல லாக் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறீங்க. எவ்வளோ சொன்ன? 4,000. இப்போ நம்ஸ் லாக் ஒன்று இருக்குது. இப்போ அலைன் பண்ணுங்க. ஏஎல் அலைன் மிடில் இங்கே இது செலக்ட் திஸ் ஒன் அண்ட் தென் சென்டர் ஆஃப் த வால். சென்டர் ஜூம் இப்போ okay, no? Done? Okay. Yeah, AL align and click here and zoom here and select middle. Okay. Then click all of this to move here. It's very near. What happened?
Okay.
Click the dimensions. Grid line. And change this one.
Already I changed, but now when I'm doing it, it's going different.
Yeah.
So even like now I took a line. I
Here.
took this line.
Click.
No, sorry. This.
And then zoom middle.
It was
Okay.
coming beside. Thank you.
Okay. See here, I'm going to match the wall properties. See here, this one is now what? 200, no. The walls is 200. I'm going to match the same wall here. I'm going to mesh the same wall. See here, there are several methods. One method, just check it. This is how much? 300. Select it and change to what? 300. This is one method. Another method, you know, in AutoCAD match properties. Yeah, what do you type it? MA. And select this and select this. This is match properties.
Yes,
Okay.
MA or MP?
MA, no?
Yes, MA match properties.
Mesh properties. So either this way. Okay. So can you just change this wall into what? Into the same size. And then next, I need the same wall again. Click it, right click, create semi-layer, and cross again a wall from here to here. Okay. A wall from here to here. Can you draw a wall from here to here? Okay. Then can you trim this wall? TR. Can you trim this wall like that? Can you trim this wall? See, here is a wall. No. Let me trim from here to here. Let me keep. It is open. When you look at in 3D view, it looks like this. It looks like this. மேலே வருது. Ground floor இருந்து take the wall or which wall? The wall தானே, right click, create semi-layer. It's a ground floor to mezzanine. Okay தானே. Ground floor தானே. Okay. அங்க வருதுண்டா. இங்க நீங்க 5000 ஏன் கொடுத்தீங்க? இது ஜீரோல வைக்கணும். இது ஜீரோ. நீங்க வெளியவே பிளே ஆஃப். This should be 0. Okay, change to 0. Okay, then அடுத்தது என்ன? 9600. It is minus 5000. இது வராது. Wall எடுக்கும்போது இதெல்லாம் 0. பேஷ் வந்து 0. ஓகே. இப்போ ட்ரிம் பண்ணி விடுங்க இதையும் TR. ஃப்ளோர் எங்க? ஃப்ளோர் போடலையா நீங்க இல்லையா? சாரி. ஃப்ளோர். Where is your floor?
That is what I want to ask. What happened?
What happened?
Okay. That time when you created a new.
Okay.
So why is this wall not flushing? Look at the wall, it's not flushing. It's a resistance.
You have to extend that one, no? You have to extend. My one also is like that. You have to extend this wall. See, here is a gap that is to be extended, no? You can take your AL align from here to here. You can extend the wall. and then the wall will be exactly on the floor. Okay, can you prepare the staircase? You already know staircase, huh? Okay, staircase, take your staircase and make a U-turn here, huh? So from ground floor to mezzanine, one way like that, and again you will take what? Another one like this. Okay, let me check escape. Let me check it how many stairs is coming. Take the stair here. How many steps coming? How many steps? 27, huh? Let me do one thing. We will reduce what? Height, huh? Make it what? Minor change here. 4,000, huh? And this is one now. 8,000. Because to reduce your what? Number of steps. So our schedule is changing now. Our schedule is changing 4,000 and 8,000, huh? Because 27 steps too much.
I wanted to create a
Click it. Cancel this.
this.
But you only can do it. Now go to the elevations. Change as per this. Go to the one of south elevations. South. Update the sizes. What are the sizes I gave you? The 5,000 into what? The level to 4,000, huh? And that level to what? 8,000. Okay. Did you notice that there is one more mistake is here? There is one more mistake is there. You see here, the door and the windows are in different height, huh? Door and the windows are different height. It will be in the equal level. So match this line to this height. Okay? Match what? AL align to here to here. So AL, this is the top of this one. Okay. Top to what? This. Top to what? This. Okay. Now the doors and windows are what? Equal? Height. When you are designing a doors and windows, when you look at from the exterior size, it will be in the same equal height. Click it. Click on the middle. Zoom here. Going? Yeah, right. Next one. Likewise. Now click that one first. Okay, then again here. Whatever, no problem. Move it. Staircase I didn't draw, no problem.
But if I want to, like, I think it's way, it's 100.
Forget last week class. Okay, if you take a staircase, you have to finish the staircase. Until that, it will what? You have to choose the staircase and draw. If you want to exit from the staircase, you have to exit. If you take a staircase, you have to do only staircase. You can't do any other job. That is faded. Okay. If you say now at this point you want to change your level, possible? No. You can do only staircase work. Therefore, that's why it's faded. If you get out of this faded, cancel that and do other works and come back to the staircase. Okay. Now south. Have you changed the windows elevation? Okay, change quickly to the same height. Huh? Align into the door height. Okay, AL. This is your door height now. Same into this. Okay, usually it should be same size. Okay, now all of them in the same height. No, 8,000. 4,000, 4,000 for both level I gave it. Select it and zoom in. No, zoom in any of this top line. No, not that one. So, it's not moving. Say no. Align. AL. Zoom. Okay, zoom in. Okay. Okay, then. Done. Any issues? Forgot about staircase. You can cancel that. I'll tell you.
But mine is not showing same as yours. That's the problem.
But what happened?
Same, straight.
Why it's not wireframe and shaded? Okay. What happened? The wall. Why did you draw the walls here? Oh, why like this? Is this top? This is mezzanine. Huh? This is mezzanine, this is top.
I changed it when
Line. AL align. Okay. You click on it, this point and then what? This point. Again, one more time here and what? Here. Again, this point and then what? This point. Yeah. When you show wireframe, you will say here fine, and when you click enable wireframe, your one also will looks like this. Okay. Now time to create a staircase. So here, when I take the stair, now ground floor to mezzanine, when I click here, it will tell me how many steps are there. How many steps is showing? 20? 22. 22 after changing the height. Okay, I can place how much now? 11, isn't it? Since it is a 22, 11 one side, another 11 is what? Another side. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now it looks like a too much gap. AL align to here. Clear? Finish. And then say finish. After that, AL align to here, and again here to here. Okay? Now AL align that wall to here. Now I'm going to reduce my what? I'm going to reduce my, it is 2500. Again it's changing, 2500. That is for the stair. Okay, done. Don't forget to save your project. We're going to continue with the same one on my next class. This is the one you are going to continue on the next class onwards. Keep. If you're going to practice, you take a new file and do it. With this one, we will continue our next sessions. If people finish the staircase, okay, we can wind it up. Remember, please don't forget the things which I explained you. Again and again, I'm telling, finish it first. Finish it and do all the changes now. Cancel. What happened? Okay, finish.